Hey, what's up, fellas? This is the video for this Equinox filler number 2. We're looking for top 3 spots again. We'll advance to the main. We are live. 402. 402. List here. 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 402. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gone 7 times. We got Bruno, Jared, and Dan on the top. We must go 8. Good luck coming your way at 402. 402. Last and final roll. Top 3 spots advance. Congratulations goes to Bruno, Sean, and Sheldon. Congratulations, you 3. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won, please. We are done at 403. 403. Congratulations, you 3. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good evening. Take care.